Hi guys, we have here the Big Shot Butane Refillable Industrial Torch. As you can see here, just want to get a quick look at the product. I'm going to open this up, give you guys a 360 view or unboxing of the product here. This does not come with the butane. You will have to purchase that separately, but nonetheless, this is made in Japan. Let's go ahead and open this up quickly here. So that's the torch itself, as you can see here. Great quality. Also comes with a base. Let's see if there's any instructions. The instruction manual. Butane refillable industrial torch. That's what's in there. The warranty information, made in New York, so forth as well. So it's a great quality product. Been around for many years. Just want you guys a quick 360 look. Let me give you guys a close up of the entire product. Nice and sturdy, as you can see here. Great quality product. So this is what you purchase. If you're looking to purchase this, please visit the link in the description below to purchase. Great quality product at a great quality price. And as always, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to our channel and have a great day.